Ladies, let's talk about a color that's often underestimated. Gray, sophisticated, timeless, effortlessly chic. But how do you wear it without looking washed out? How do you make it work for your unique style, your confidence, your beautiful presence? If you've ever thought gray was dull or aging, think again. Today, we're redefining gray, making it powerful, polished, and personal. Whether you love classic elegance, modern minimalism, or a bold pop of color, I'm going to show you how to wear gray with grace and confidence at 60 and beyond. Let's dive in. 1. Pair gray with bright or soft colors. There's something about gray that invites the magic of color to shine. It's a canvas, quiet, serene, waiting for a little energy or softness to bring it to life. Pairing gray with a bright hue, think bold coral, emerald green, or sapphire blue, creates a dynamic contrast that feels youthful and full of energy. But here's the secret. It's all about finding the right balance. Too much of a bright color can overpower the subtle elegance of gray. The trick is to let gray remain the foundation with your bold color as the accent. A pop of bright on your lips, a striking handbag, or a playful scarf can make all the difference, infusing the outfit with vibrancy without stealing the spotlight from your timeless gray. On the flip side, pairing gray with softer hues, think blush pink, soft lavender, or creamy ivory, creates a gentle, feminine look that feels polished without being fussy. These colors ease the harshness of winter grays, adding warmth and lightness to your look. For a sophisticated and balanced outfit, try a soft pink cardigan over a light gray dress or a lavender blouse with gray trousers. The subtle contrast brings the best of both worlds, elegance and softness, with gray still taking center stage. Accessories are key here too. A pastel scarf, delicate jewelry, or a soft toned bag can pull the look together, adding a final touch of grace. It's all about finding that perfect harmony between color and gray, making both work to your advantage. 2. Incorporate texture and accessories. Gray may be the ultimate neutral, but when you play with texture, it transforms from basic to brilliant. The trick is to bring in contrast, mixing soft, tactile fabrics like cashmere with something more structured, like wool or leather, creates a sophisticated visual interest that's anything but boring. Gray can easily lean toward looking flat or dull, especially if you're wearing head-to-toe gray without variation. But when you introduce textures like velvet, silk, or ribbed knit alongside your favorite wool or cotton, it instantly elevates your look, adding depth and dimension. The beauty of gray is that it pairs effortlessly with almost any texture, making it the perfect base for a style that feels as rich as it looks. When it comes to accessories, think of them as the punctuation marks to your outfit. They're the final flourish. Silver jewelry pairs beautifully with cooler grays, while gold accents can warm up softer tones. But it's not just about the metal. A textured scarf, think chunky knit or delicate cashmere, adds an extra layer of interest, while a sleek leather bag offers just the right contrast to soft, fluid grays. If you're looking to make a statement, try a bold hat or oversized sunglasses. These accessories do more than complete an outfit. They elevate it. So experiment with different textures, mix and match, and use accessories as the tools to tell your own personal style story. Gray is just the beginning. It's all about the details that make it uniquely yours. 3. Monochromatic gray layers. Gray is one of those colors that, when layered thoughtfully, can be pure magic. A monochromatic gray look has the power to feel both sophisticated and effortlessly cool, but there's a fine line between sleek and flat. When layering grays, it's essential to mix up your shades. If every piece is the same exact tone, it can look drab or too stiff. The beauty of gray lies in its depth, layering a light gray cashmere sweater with a charcoal blazer, and dove gray pants creates a dynamic, elevated effect. It's all about the balance of light and dark, texture, and shape. If you stick to one solid tone throughout, the outfit will lose the subtle movement that makes monochrome work. So, how do you make this look sing? Start by mixing different shades of gray with varying textures. A soft heather gray knit cardigan over a tailored slate gray pencil skirt will give you dimension and interest without feeling heavy. Add a silver necklace or a pair of sleek gray boots to tie it all together. And if you're feeling adventurous, a printed gray scarf can serve as the perfect accent without overwhelming the look. The key here is layering for contrast, not uniformity. Play with textures, create layers that add depth, and most importantly, have fun with it. Gray is one of those colors that begs to be explored, and when you layer it thoughtfully, you're crafting a look that's both chic and timeless. 4. Mix gray with patterns. There's a certain magic in combining gray with patterns, but it's all about knowing how to make the two work together without one overwhelming the other. Gray, being neutral and calm, serves as a perfect canvas for patterns to shine. However, when patterns are too bold or too busy, they can compete with gray, making the look feel chaotic instead of chic. That's where restraint comes in. Subtle, thoughtfully chosen prints that use gray as their base can add depth and sophistication to an outfit. Whether it's a gentle plaid, soft florals, or even a modern geometric, gray allows the pattern to breathe, keeping it polished yet playful. But if you overdo the print, it can easily drown out the elegance of gray, leaving the outfit feeling cluttered rather than refined. To make it work, start with a pattern that incorporates gray as part of its design, like a gray houndstooth scarf or a check blouse with hints of slate or charcoal. The key is to let the gray serve as the anchor, so the print enhances rather than detracts. Pair a subtle gray striped top with solid gray pants for a modern twist, or mix a floral print dress with a soft gray cardigan to balance the femininity with the quiet strength of gray. If you're feeling bold, try a patterned gray blazer over a monochromatic gray outfit. Just be sure the print isn't overwhelming and that the tones of gray work together in harmony. The beauty of gray and patterns is that they don't fight for attention. They simply elevate one another, bringing your outfit to life in the most sophisticated way. 5. Choose quality pieces. When it comes to gray, the key to making it truly shine is all about quality. A well-made piece, whether it's a tailored gray blazer or a soft cashmere sweater, will elevate the entire look. It's not about quantity. It's about investing in timeless pieces that will not only last, but will also feel wonderful against your skin. Cheap fabrics or ill-fitting garments, even in the perfect shade of gray, can end up looking stiff, tired, or worse, dated. Quality pieces, on the other hand, drape beautifully, move with you, and always look effortlessly polished, no matter the occasion. You're not just buying clothes, you're buying confidence and longevity. So, how do you make sure you're choosing the right pieces? Start by feeling the fabric. Touch is key. Look for natural fibers like wool, silk, or cotton blends that breathe and mold to your body. A gray wool coat that fits like it was made just for you? That's the type of investment piece that not only looks good, but feels good too. Pay attention to tailoring. Fitted lines, clean seams, and structured silhouettes will always flatter and never go out of style. If you're looking to update your wardrobe, consider swapping out old worn gray basics for high quality essentials, like a perfect gray turtleneck, a sleek gray pencil skirt, or a beautifully cut gray dress. These are the kinds of pieces that will elevate your style without ever feeling overdone. Quality always speaks for itself.